Hello friends, I'd like to welcome you all to my next video and we are going to sketch the curve of the parabolic function which turns downward. The given function is y is equal to minus x square plus 2x minus 3. So in order to write some important characters which are essential for drawing the curve of the given function, we first write some characters by comparing the given equation with y is equal to minus x square plus bx plus c, that is comparing with comparing with with y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, we get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to minus 3. So some important characters are some important. Some important characters are number first, we can find whether the given curve turns upward or downward by comparing the value of a, as if a is equal to minus 1 and less than 0, then the parabola turns downward, and if a is equal to 1 which is greater than 0, then the given parabola turns upward. So here we can write, since a is equal to minus 1 which is less than 0, hence the parabola turns downward. Hence the parabola turns downward. So in the next point, what can we find is, we can find the turning point or the vertex of the given parabola. The turning point, that is the point at the center, that is the vertex of the parabola, and that is said to be the turning point. And the turning point, T-U-R-N-I-N-G, turning point or the vertex h comma k can be generally found directly by using the formula minus b upon 2a comma c minus b square upon 4a. So what is the value of b? Minus 4 upon 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2, comma minus 3 minus 16 upon 4 times minus 1, that is minus 4. So this minus becomes plus, and its value is 2 comma 1, and this is the turning point. After finding the turning point, we can easily find the axis of symmetry that cuts the given parabola into the two halves, into the two symmetrical halves, and that is the axis of symmetry, AXIS, axis of symmetry is x is equal to h, that is x is equal to 2, and x equal to 2 is the axis of symmetry that cuts our parabola into the two symmetrical halves. Now we can find the domain. The domain of the quadratic function is always minus infinity to plus infinity, and for finding the range, in the previous video we have made one mnemonics that for range are, we have a is equal to minus 1 which is less than 0, so we have to move towards minus infinity. So our range also ranges from minus infinity to k, and that is minus infinity to, what is the value of k? We can find the value of k by comparing 2 comma 1 with h comma k, and k is equal to 1 here, so that minus infinity to 1 is our range. Finally, we can get some passing points by substituting the different values of x in the above equation in order to get the values of the y. And for the passing point x comma y, we put different values of x and get the different values of y. So what is our turning point? Turning point is 2 comma 1, and in the parabola the turning point is at the vertex, that is at the middle. So we also put 2 comma 1 in the middle part of our table, 2 comma 1, and we get the other values of x in an increasing order. 2, after 2, then 3, then we get 4, and before 2 we have 1, and after then we have 0. So while x is equal to 0, so what is our equation? Well, our equation is x is equal to minus x square plus 4x minus 3. And for x is equal to 0, the value of y is minus 3. For x is equal to 1, get the value of y as 0. For x is equal to 3, we have y is 0. And for x is equal to 4, we have the value of y as minus 3. And 2 comma 1 is the turning point, and it must be at the center. So only we can get the curve without any confusion. So now let us draw the curve using these characters. Generally, by using these points, 0 comma minus 3, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 4 comma minus 3, we can get the curves, and we must be sure that our curve must satisfy all the mentioned properties. So for drawing the curve, so I'll make a rough sketch, but in the exam time, you must use the scale and pencil, and the curve must be drawn with the free hand. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Okay, this is the positive x, and this is the negative x, x negative, and this is the positive y-axis, and this is the negative y-axis, and this is origin. So get the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first point is 0 comma minus 3, and we have the 0 comma minus 3 as 0 comma 1 2 3. This is the 0 comma minus 3, and next 1 comma 0, here is 1 comma 0. Next 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, and this is the turning point. From here our parabola must turns downward. And 3 comma 0, 1 2 3, 3 comma 0 is here, and next one is 4 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 3 is here. So now let us draw the curve joining these points with your free hand. You are not allowed to use the scale to connect the two vertices. Yes, this is our parabola which turns downward. And for the axis of symmetry, we have x is equal to 2 is the axis of symmetry that must cut our parabola into the two symmetrical halves. And this is the axis of symmetry. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. And this is our turning point 2 comma 1. And the curve is y is equal to minus x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay,